Hello, today is February 17th, 2018. Last call said I didn't think the rally was over, and it did hit some new highs. But it's not good when you hit all these new highs. You can't hold them at the close. Unless we get up and promptly take out this high, lower prices should print. It doesn't preclude the new MEJT target from printing too. Here were the systems. We had a sign that ultimately higher prices would print. That worked. We had a pattern here which arises about once or twice a month. There was a buy, and because we cleared yesterday's close in the appropriate time frame, it was the signal higher prices would print. But when we cleared this high at an inappropriate time, too soon, MEJT said the rally would not stick and that at some point prices would return to this line, which they did right here, and that was support. The afternoon pattern is said to be a false move lower. Prices are predicted to recover and hit 27.45.16. Gap down, numbers probably out of reach. Other than that, I expect to see it print. Well, if that number prints and we don't hit a new high, it's not mutually exclusive for this number to print and for lower lows to print too. What are the chances that this high holds? Well, we have our date. I'd like to see it work. We have some things called chandelier exits. Supposedly, if you're over the blue line, you're going up. If you're under the blue line, you're going down. Chandelier exit closed at 27.58.73. That's only 4 points from this high, so that must be pretty close. Here's our wave count. We had a miraculous 200 plus handle move in a week, but I view it as a bear market rally, and the question is how much higher is it going to go? Well, this low was a Fibonacci target of the prior consolidation. The same 2 points in the consolidation often let us know how high the recovery is going to go. That high. For Tuesday, when the market reopens, unless we get down, I expect to see this number print. I expect to see this high hold. I expect to see lower prices, even though we have higher targets. If I'm right, this high is going to hold and the move down has the potential to be quite ugly. That's today's call.